Hello, today I will show you how to access the bootloader mode on your Samsung Galaxy M10. Let's start by unlocking the phone, pressing the power key and swiping up. Now press and hold the power key and select power off and press once again. Now once you feel the vibration, it means your device has fully turned off. Now let's start by pressing and holding the power key and the volume up keys both at the same time until we see the Samsung logo appear. Now I stop holding and wait for the device to go into the recovery mode. As you can see, we are in the recovery mode. Here you can go up and down by using the volume up and down keys and the power key to access different settings. Let's go down here to Reboot Bootloader and press the power key. And this way we will access the bootloader of your phone. Now if you put a USB device to your phone, it can download all kinds of files and have files downloaded from it. And if you want to cancel, you can simply press the volume down and the power key both at the same time. Simple as that. It can take 7 seconds, but just like that, the phone should restart like normal. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.